I must admit to myself and to you, I have not enjoyed my jewelry so much beyond the process of creating it as to when I have been discovering, showing it, sharing it on the internet. There were always pieces that I loved more than others for various reasons at various times. And I found out, though, that in order for me to display my pieces that I have created, that I have birthed, that I have channeled, the best way for me to do it was to wear my pieces. And as I've started to wear them more and more and put them together, combine them and enjoy them, I'm even more pleased with my offerings to you. Each piece that I create is one of a kind and can be worn in regal, elegant settings, or you could put some jeans on and wear this piece, or these. You could wear them separately or together. Anyway, just sharing revelations with you. Hope you enjoy and you envision yourself in some of the creations of opulence made by the hands of the Queen Mother, who is me, for your pleasure, for our pleasure. Namaste, beloved.